how to turn on incognito mode YouTube. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can turn on incognito mode on your mobile phone on YouTube. You could do this on your iPhone or your Android phone. It doesn't really matter because you would be able to do this on any type of phone. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your YouTube and you're simply going to click on your profile icon on the top right. By clicking this, you would be able to see these options over here. As you can see right now, I have turn on incognito mode option under my channel. So I'm going to teach you how you could access this on your mobile phone. What you're going to do is you're going to click on settings. Over here on settings, you would be able to see a lot of things that you could edit and adjust the settings on. What you're going to do is you're going to press on general, the first option that you have. And over here on the lower side, you would be able to see restricted mode. You're simply going to enable this restricted mode over here. And you would be able to see this turn on incognito mode on your YouTube. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.